Welcome to Boventures. Today we are opening up a Series 12 Doorables box here. So in our last Doorables video, we opened up the Disney Doorables Adorbs package that we got from D23. Zuri, which one did we get in that package? You remember?
Anita.
Anita, you're right.
She likes Alice in Wonderland.
She likes Alice in Wonderland. And how did you like it?
Yeah, good.
You really like it? Do you want to get more of them?
Yes.
Exciting. So those Adorbs are released in October, November, rough timeline in the US. Hopefully we see them in Canada as well, because we have some favorites that we want to collect for those Doorables super fans. But also in that video, we received small mini packs of the Series 12 with the pixel characters. So we're very excited to see if we can find a pixel character for the first time. We also have little Kylo Ren here, who's probably excited more so if we had some of the Star Wars Doorables, hey? So let's start opening this box and see who we get. So for Series 12, there's 50 of the figures to collect. And there's 8 special editions and 2 limited editions.
Ooh.
So the special editions in these ones are these pixelated characters here. So you can see Stitch in the front.
Yeah.
And they also have Vanellope, Wreck-It Ralph, Winnie the Pooh, Dumbo, Tigger, Minnie Mouse, and Mickey Mouse for the pixelated characters. So on our mini peeks, we were able to get a couple of the characters. We didn't get any of the special edition ones. Well, let's try opening this box. So, I don't think that's the right way to open it. Let's not open it from there. It is, of course, the classic doors here, so I almost opened it incorrectly.
Yeah.
But you can get 5, 6, or 7, and how many do you think we're gonna get?
7 or 5.
7 or 5? Theo, what do you... Or sorry, Kylo Ren, who do you think we're going to get? 5, 6, or 7?
7.
7. Okay, let's see. And doors open. How many doors do we have? 1. I'm looking on the camera here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 doors!
Yes!
We got 7 doors. Okay.
That was my age. Now I'm 8.
Which door do you want to pick first, Zuri? You can get the first pick. Ladies first.
For you. I think I'm gonna pick the purple just because.
Purple one, okay.
It's so cool.
Take him out. Let's see who's behind door number 1.
It looks so cool, this one.
Dun it. Dun it. Dun it. The suspense is killing me. We got our first special edition. Who is it?
Wreck-It Ralph.
Good job. Okay.
And I like his face.
There's Wreck-It Ralph.
There's Wreck-It Ralph. I like his face, I think.
He looks just like he's in the game.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wreck it.
I'm gonna wreck it.
So we got number 1 there. We'll put him right here.
Cool.
Theo, you get door number 2. Which one are you gonna pick?
This one. How much did I get? Only 1.
Okay, you got 1 there. Theo's opening. And you tear it right at the top there. Yep. Oh, buddy. Yo! We're 2 for 2 on
Pixelated.
special editions.
I think we are gonna get all pixelated. I feel like. I got Mickey.
Is he focusing? I'm trying to get out.
Yeah, I think so.
Take a little video at the end too, if this isn't the greatest of views. Look at that.
I think I like Mickey Mouse more.
2 for 2. Zuri, you're the next one. Which door are you selecting?
This one.
Darn it.
Mickey Mouse is
Darn it.
I'm
Got a Wreck-It Ralph. We need to find the special edition Fix-It Felix Jr., who's also pixelated.
That is also cool. Ooh, aw, cute little Tuk-Tuk.
You got Tuk-Tuk? You want to show the camera?
Yeah.
Good work.
I see it on here. just like a little shell and it has some dots on it.
I like that one. So cute, little Tuk Tuk.
He's so adorable.
Okay, Theo, next door. Which one door are you going to pick?
This one.
A little tiny door at the bottom.
I think that one's going to have this.
Pull it on out.
I think it's going to have...
Boom.
Pixelated.
Let's see what we get.
Ooh, maybe Wreck-It
Yeah.
Ralph Jr. Okay. I hope so. I think we do this one.
Ah, you flew out. Oh, who is it?
Oh, same guy.
We got another Barley. Mommy's going to be so happy.
Barley. They can have this. Mommy can have this one.
Mommy will love this one.
Yeah, because she loves onwards.
You're right. Okay, next door.
I think I might try this blue door. It looks blue, and blue is a good color.
What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? You want a third? A third pixelated in one box? I don't know.
Which one's this one?
We got a...
From Encanto.
He's from Encanto. Augustine Madrigal. Good job.
Yeah.
Is that...
I knew his
Is that
face.
her uncle? Mirabelle's uncle? Is that who it is?
I don't think so. He only had one brother. She only has one brother. It's Bruno. Bruno is that. I think
Or is it her
that might
dad?
be-
Is it her dad?
Yeah, I think that's her dad. I think it's her dad.
Okay. Open another door, Theo. We got 2 more doors, one for each of you. Right here.
I think it's going to be blue.
Picking the blue one? Okay.
Yeah, because blue is a great
Okay.
color. I think we are going to get him.
Who are we gonna get?
Who are we going to get?
Oh, we got Quasimodo. We got him on our last pack as well.
Yeah.
So that's a duplicate there.
Yeah. I don't.
I'll put
Look,
in a pile.
I like his red hair at least.
Yeah, he looks
like
cool.
My friend.
And then the last doors are right there.
Right there. I wish this was the second door.
That is the pack.
Bonnie! Oh,
Who do we get? Bonnie! That's so
she's so
cool.
adorable!
We got a Bonnie.
So adorable!
Yeah, you can see. Bonnie.
Bonnie's
Oh, we need to get an Andy now, too. I believe there's an Andy on the front of the box.
Yeah, Andy.
So, we got 7
Bonnie.
in that pack
7.
of Doorables for series 12, sorry. And 2 of the 7 were pixelated.
If it was 3, that would be amazing.
We have a couple more Doorable boxes to open. We'll open those in another video, but we
More
have
boxes.
some series 10s. We have Adorables Academy. But please leave down a comment down below of what your favorite series 12 Doorable is. Is it one of the ones we found today?
Yeah.
Are you still searching for more of them?
Or are you? I think it's the cutest one of all is Tuk Tuk and Bonnie.
I think my favorite is Wreck-It Ralph.
I think my
I'm going to wreck it.
I think my favorite is Wreck-It Ralph and Bonnie and Tuk Tuk. They're all so adorable and he's kind of cute.
Theo likes both the pixelateds.
That's so cute.
Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to see some more Doorables videos. And let me know when you say the word subscribe if the subscribe button lights up. That's some kind of feature that I heard about, so I'm very curious. Well, thank you for watching. And remember, until next time, Boventure is out there. Bye-bye.
Bye.